everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I'm going to do a Dutch pour in a few different colors of blue. I've got phthalo blue, light blue, a pearl blue that I mixed with phthalo blue, and the this Martha Stewart pearl, and I made this color of blue. It's a pearly and more of an ocean blue and some dioxazine purple. And this is a 14 by 14 canvas, pretty big for a Dutch pour, and I've already covered my canvas in white paint. This is actually a cover-up. It dried really flat, so there's no bumps, and I didn't like it. It was something that I lived with for a little while and decided that we're not going to become friends. And so I'm feeling in the mood for blues. Yay, blue! And you know what I like doing when you do the blues and the purples, they're all on the cool side of the spectrum. So you never have to worry about them mixing into brown or weird colors or getting muddy. They won't. With white, they won't, you know, they'll only make other colors of blue and purple. So you never have to worry about that with these. Okay, so I was thinking after the other one was I was going to start with a puddle of white. And I often start in the right corner. I don't know why, because it's probably because I'm right-handed. But this one I'm going to try to do a center and then blow it out like a flower. So I'm going to do something like here, a bit of a puddle. I'm just going to kind of enlarge that a little bit. Okay, because we put the white around it, but I think it'll move even better with a nice white puddle. You know, yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to start with my darkest blue. And I'm going to do my purple. Going to do more of the same with these two colors. That's the pearl and then the light blue. Now I'm going to do my white circle around it. Alright, here we go. This is where the Dutch part comes in. I'm going to cover it up with the blow dryer on low. Hit it with the torch a little, just to see if anything happens. Not a lot happening there, that's okay. That looks kind of pretty. I almost want to blow on it with my mouth, but this is such a large canvas that I wouldn't get there. Look, a little bit of cell reaction is happening under there. It is just dying to come out. Come out, come out, wherever you are. All right, here we go, guys. I'm gonna kind of start in the middle and bring it around, I guess, into a flower shape. gonna move this canvas so I can get to all of it a little bit better because I am right-handed. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm glad I wasn't facing the canvas. Oh my gosh. Alright, stop and stare. That's very flower-like, isn't it? It looks like a blue and purple flower. Wow! Holy cow. Okay. This is the tricky part. This is the, do I back off? Do I leave it alone? You know, sometimes you regret blowing on it. I kind of want it to be bigger, you know, but the shape is so nice on the edge, and there is a lot of paint underneath the white. I think I'm going to use the blow dryer a little bit more. Oh my God. Yes, I love it. This is beautiful. Beautiful, guys. I even got a really 3D effect in my center. Oh my gosh, I'm thrilled with this. I'm not gonna blow on it. I'm not gonna do anything with my mouth. So very pretty. This edge right here. Just accentuating the petals by moving the white a tiny bit in. That is just gorgeous. Wow, I'm thrilled to pieces with this. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this one. I love it. just in that center. Wow. I'm glad that I was able to get 5 petals, because most flowers are 5 petals, are they not? Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. And look how big it is in my hand. Okay. It's a big one. I hope you like it. I know I do. And if you like my video, subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.